This is a reverse mean question because we're looking for one of the values of the seats in the cinemas as opposed to finding the mean. If we were finding the total mean, what we would do is we would add all of the values together and then divide by the number of values that we've got. So we would do A plus then B plus then C, and then divide by the number of cinemas, and divided by the number of cinemas in this case would then be 3. We're told that the mean number of seats is 380. We're then told in the question that in cinema A there are 350 seats, in cinema B there are 250 seats, and then cinema C we don't know, so I'm going to keep that as C for the time being, and then they're all divided by 3. This is now an equation that we can solve whereby C is an unknown. So I'm going to put the lines down the middle just to kind of add a little bit of structure. In order to solve, we first need to get rid of that divide by 3 in the fraction, and the opposite of dividing by 3 is times it by 3. So we're going to times both sides of the equation by 3. When we times the left side of the equation by 3, we get 1140. And then that is equal to 350 plus then 250 and plus C. These two terms here can be brought together because they're both numbers. So 350 plus 250, that gives us 600. So I'm going to write that there. So we now get the equation 600 plus C is equal to 1140. We need to get that 600 to the other side, and currently it's a positive 600, so we're going to subtract 600 from both sides of the equation, and when you do that, you then get 540 is equal to C. So the answer for the number of seats in cinema C is 540.